Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Do you need some support when it comes to getting your kids to organize and keep things tidy? Well, I have just the thing for you. Now, it's not just like any old thing like, oh, try this little trick or this worked for this particular mom and her kids. No, this is a tried and true academy that is perfect for any kid ages 8 and younger. It's called the Organized Kids Academy. In the academy, my kids are going to teach your kids how to organize. This program is one of a kind because there is no other course out there where kids are teaching kids how to organize spaces like their bedrooms, toys, how to set up a mudroom, what to do with papers. All of those things are included in the Organized Kids Academy. Now, I'm going to let you have a peek inside so you can see all the goodness and why this is going to be so beneficial to you and your family.
When you go into the Organized Kids Academy, you will see all the videos that are included in this incredible course. If you click on the first video, this one is the introductory video. Inside the video, you'll see a brief description and you get to see the introduction to the Organized Kids Academy with Eli and Adley. There are downloads inside each one of the videos, so you just simply click where it says download, and then the download will pop up. Since this is the introductory video, this is the syllabus, so you can kind of see what is coming up and what you can print off, along with your first assignment, which is setting some household expectations. You all know I love expectations for kiddos, and this guide will help you do that. Once you finish, you can hit mark as complete and go on to the next category. In each category, there may be 1 to 2 videos along with the printables. Once you finish, you'll see a check mark next to the video that you completed. But remember, you can watch this as many times as you want. I also have a resource section where you can click on and get a bunch of resources for a bunch of different things, like organizing books, labels, kids' checklists. Just click on that link and you'll see the books or the products that I love and use and recommend. Then if you go to my library, you can see all of the products that you have purchased. This is where you can find all of the videos for the Organized Kids Academy. So, are you ready to join me inside the Organized Kids Academy? I know it's going to help your kiddos get organized for good.
Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.